Hi everyone, happy Travel Tuesday. Thanks for listening today. Today we're going to be going over a travel insurance shopping checklist. I know many people shop around for their travel medical insurance, so we're going to go over some of the most important things to consider when you're shopping. So number one is coverage. So insurance products vary in coverage, and there have been Canadians traveling to the US that have had claims reach well into the millions. Be sure to find out the exact dollar amount of coverage for every single quote you receive. Some products could seem like a great deal, only to have you realize after purchasing that the coverage is absolutely not sufficient, and this can sometimes be buried somewhere in the policy. So if you want peace of mind, purchase a product that provides at least $5 million in coverage. Number two is the deductible. What dollar amount will you be responsible for paying in the event of a claim? A lot of people choose higher deductibles in exchange for a discount on their insurance premium. It's important to know if you will be responsible for paying the deductible on a per claim basis or a per trip basis. Also check to see what currency the deductible will be paid in. With the low Canadian dollar, these can all be important factors to consider. Next of all, number three, stability period. Does the quote you received provide you coverage for your pre-existing conditions? If so, what's the stability period you need to reach prior to departing your province in order to be covered for your pre-existing conditions? Also note that this stability period applies to all conditions, whether they're listed on the medical questionnaire or not. It's important to ask and note the definition of stable, as it differs depending on the company or provider. Next is the cancellation policy, and this might not be something that you think about right away, but if something does happen prior to travel and you need to cancel your trip, what is the refund policy? At Travel Insurance Office Incorporated, we have a no questions asked refund policy if you canceled prior to your effective date. So a lot of companies have a fee to cancel or may not even offer a refund after a certain period of time. Listen, life happens and it's important to be prepared and ask these questions. And administrative policies. It's important to ask if there are any administrative or service fees. If you need to make changes to your policy, will you be financially penalized? If you return early from your trip, will you be able to receive a full refund on your unused days? Travel Insurance Office Incorporated was the first broker to get rid of all service and administrative fees, and we certainly believe that you should not have to pay for great service. So just to summarize, shopping and comparing different travel insurance products can be confusing, and we get that. It's important to follow these steps to see a clear picture of differences and value between products and brands. It's incredibly important to read through the policy terms and conditions prior to traveling. Ask these difficult questions and be sure you are receiving confident answers. And purchase from a company that specializes in travel medical insurance and knows their products in great detail, so that you can know before you go. Thanks for checking us out. We're the Travel Insurance Office Incorporated, insuring traveling Canadians since 1991. Check us out online at travelinsuranceoffice.com or by phone at that toll-free number on your screen. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful week.